Next curve.
Ready? I'm ready. Hi, this is Leonard Lee, Managing Director of Next Curve, and I'm here in Orlando, Florida for Honeywell's Honeywell Connect 2022. And I'm joined here by Kevin Dehoff, who is, I don't want to steal your thunder, so you introduce yourself.
All right, I am the President and CEO of Honeywell Connected Enterprise. I joined Honeywell about 3 years ago, and I first led another business within Honeywell called Productivity Solutions and Services. Mm-hmm. And prior to that, I was a management consultant, strategy and management consultant for about 25 years.
Oh, really? Yeah. And I heard it's just a small, tiny consulting firm, right?
Yeah, with a couple of them, and I was one of those who stayed in that profession for 25 years.
Well, yeah, I mean, we kind of have a bit of a similar background. Actually, you just went corporate. Even further, I just kind of did my thing. Next Curve.
So for me, this is kind of like a second career, and a very exciting one.
Well, yeah. So here, this is what I want you to do. I want you to explain to us, number one, what is Honeywell Connect about?
Mm-hmm. The event here is one that I'm really, really excited about. As I came into the role, it became clear to me that we really need to emphasize new products and to speed up the pace of innovation and our ability to deliver new products. And so as a part of that, we made a commitment that we're going to do 2 major product launches per year, in addition to the ongoing releases and all of that. But we're going to do 2 major events. And the fall event will be our flagship. And this is the first one. And then we'll do another one in the spring. Wow. And it's really a combination. It's really an exciting agenda. It's a combination of announcing new products. We have a technology demonstration set up for 20 different solutions that people will be able to experience and touch and feel, and go through the demonstration of what problems we're trying to solve, what the value proposition is, and how we solve them. And then we're also, I think another part of what I'm trying to do with HC is I want us to be thought leaders. I want us to have a perspective. I want us to have new ideas that we can share with our customers. And so we're going to spend a lot of time talking about 3 key themes. One is around digitalization and the opportunity to use data to improve operational performance. The second one is around sustainability. That is the path to lower carbon. And then the third is around OT cyber. And so in addition to the new products, we're going to have a number of working sessions with customers, with some of the internal leaders within Honeywell, and share our perspectives and our ideas, and ultimately how our solutions help our customers address those circumstances.
Okay, wonderful. So here, I have a recommendation for you.
Okay.
For my audience, you need to put security first. So next time, put, all right. It always ends up at the bottom of the list.
Well, I'll tell you what.
And it's so important.
It is.
Right?
Look, I can't disagree with you. As I've been talking with our customers, and I mean, we're part of this. The good news is we're, increasingly connecting things. Yeah. We're connecting assets. We're connecting machines. We're connecting edge devices, and all for great reasons. However, when you go down to the operational level, that's creating huge vulnerabilities. And therefore, OT cyber, in addition to IT cyber, is at the top of the list of senior executives. It's a C-suite priority, and I believe when it comes to OT cyber that the stakes are even higher. Because you're talking about loss of production, you're talking about worker safety, you're talking about potentially catastrophic events, with some of the in some of the areas. And so I completely concur. It is a very, very high priority topic. It's something that's on the senior executive agenda as we talk with our customers.
Okay, great. And so one thing I want to touch on is I hear Forge everywhere in Honeywell, and I've I've had the fortune of meeting and with several of the groups within Honeywell, and I just wanted you to help the audience understand what is Forge, what is the role of Forge in the broader Honeywell strategy.
Yeah. So broadly speaking, I would say that I want HCE specifically and Honeywell in general to be in the business of delivering outcome-based solutions. And that is, we're not selling a product, we're selling an outcome for our customers, one that has high impact. And so Honeywell Forge is the application architecture that we use to enable us to deliver those outcomes to our customers. And with Honeywell Forge, what we're trying to do is get maximum horizontal scale. That is that we want to connect workers and assets and buildings and plants, and we want to be able to do that across industries in the most efficient and effective way. At the same time, the specific industry-specific use cases kind of represent the other 20% of that, which is we embed domain expertise, process optimization expertise, and make it then an industry-specific use case. And so we want to capture both the horizontal scale as well as making it a distinctive solution to an actual industry problem. And Forge is and I believe increasingly that as we think about outcome-based solutions and engaging with our customers, increasingly that will be more and more software-led.
Right.
And what I believe then is that we'll see our Forge solutions will kind of be the pointy end of the spear and will enable us to then pull through the hardware, the control systems, the support services that ultimately combined is what enables us to deliver that outcome. The reason I'm so excited is because there's only a few companies in the world that can put that all together. And I'm not sure any better than Honeywell. And so that's why I get really excited about the direction that we're taking the business.
Yeah, and I'm excited to find out more. I have to admit I'm a bit of a newbie on Forge, but I see its footprint everywhere across Honeywell. And I agree with you. I mean, a lot of the challenges that the quote-unquote IoT community and the industrial IoT community has is basically scaling out and being able to approach the market with solutions. So, it looks like we have 2 days of action-packed activities and keynotes and sharing that's going to happen. I'm really looking forward to it. But more importantly, I really appreciate your time.
Oh, thank you.
And it's great meeting you here in Orlando, Florida, and many thanks to your staff.
This is going to be a great event, a great week for us, and I think everyone, our customers, will find it very valuable, and I know we're excited about it.
Yeah, wonderful. Well, look forward to having maybe a follow-up and a recap on the event. And I'll share some of my perspectives as well.
Very good.
So thank you so much. And so to our Next Curve Rethink podcast listeners and viewers, thanks for tuning in, and please make sure to subscribe to www.next-curve.com. We'll be sharing all the highlights and the takes from Honeywell's Honeywell Connect 2022.
And more to come in 2023.
All right, we'll see you.
All right, thank you.